Hello everyone. I take this opportunity to introduce myself Dr. G. Aruna, Assistant Professor in the Department of H&S, Annamacharya Institute of Technology and Sciences, Tirupati. I have 10 years of teaching experience. This recording is a part of NPTEL workshop Transition to Online Facilitation. Few outcomes of NPTEL workshop as per my expectation. Learning new technological techniques that could involve students and create educational environment, effective sharing of knowledge in implementation, familiarizing yourself in creating videos on different contents of a subject, making students a part in learning technology. Thank you. Happy learning.